Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today we are going to make the French macarons. We are going to simplify the process step by step for you. So let's begin. Step 1. Into a processor, add 110 grams of almond flour, 200 grams of powdered sugar and pulse it. To get the perfect macarons, weigh the ingredients out precisely. The almond flour and sugar mix is ready. Keep it aside. Step 2. Into a mixing bowl, add a splash of vinegar. Wipe it thoroughly with a clean cloth to remove any traces of oil. Step 3. To the bowl, add 90 grams of egg whites. Whisk it until slightly foamy. Step 4. Add 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Whisk until it dissolves into the egg whites. Step 5. Add a pinch of salt. Whisk for about 10 seconds. Step 6. Add 40 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon at a time. Make sure that the sugar has completely dissolved before you add the next teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon at a time for the strength and stability of the meringue. Step 7. Add half teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk till almost soft peaks. Just like this. Step 8. Add the food color. This is optional, but if you choose to color the meringue, use a gel or powder based food color and I repeat, not water based food color, because any trace of water will mess the whole thing up. Here I am adding 2 drops of blue gel food color. That should be enough. Step 9. Whisk the egg whites till stiff peaks. Here you can see that the meringue is drooping, so these are the soft peaks, and you need to whisk it more. You will know they are stiff peaks when you can see the path of the whisk in the meringue, or when you lift the whisk, the meringue will be stiff like this. Step 10. Sift the almond and powdered sugar mixture into the meringue and fold it like this, sweeping around the edges and folding it into the center. Do this until the batter flows like lava, or you can make a continuous ribbon while writing a figure 8. Step 11. Pour it into a piping bag with a round tip. You can use parchment paper or Silpat silicone mat. You can either try to pipe them freehand or use a template as I have. We have provided a template for you to use in our blog. Hold the piping bag 90 degrees to the parchment paper and pipe the batter till the edge of the circle. Step 12. Tap the tray on the counter hard 2 to 3 times. This will release all the trapped air bubbles in the batter. Remove the template from beneath the mat before the cookies dry to avoid the risk of cracking. Some might not come to the surface and pop. Those you can pop using a toothpick. To even the surface of the batter, touch it with a damp hand and it will be fine. Step 13. Let the cookies dry for at least 1 hour. The drying time will vary depending on the humidity. While the cookies are drying, preheat the oven to 295 degrees Fahrenheit or 145 degrees Celsius. To check if the surface of the cookies are dry, just stroke the top back and forth and it should not stick to your finger. Step 14. Bake the cookies for 18 minutes. When the cookies are done, they will come off the parchment paper without any effort. If they are still sticking, just put them back in the oven for another 2 or 3 minutes. The perfect cookies will have a feet along the bottom and a perfectly smooth top like this. Let the cookies cool for 30 minutes. Step 15. Fill them with a filling of your choice. Here, I'm filling them up with chocolate ganache and strawberry jam. Pipe a thick dam of chocolate ganache along the edge. Add 1/4 teaspoon of strawberry jam in the center and sandwich it gently with another cookie. I am also making lemon macarons. For that, pipe a thick dam of white chocolate ganache and add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon curd in the center and sandwich it with another cookie. The macarons are ready. These are best after 2 days of being stored in the fridge in an airtight container. A good macaron is crispy on the outside and chewy inside. Enjoy these delicious macarons. Until next time, happy cooking.